This is a drawing for turning. Now we make a broaching from it. For example, this part we want to make drawing here. Broaching here, and we need delete the other parts like here, and here. Now only this line left for broaching. Then next we need set the depth for the broaching by make the top and the bottom lines. Bottom line make depth to be 2 mm. Same on top 2 mm. Now the drawing for broaching is finished, and we need to move the 0 point to be the left bottom corner. Like this. So now the whole thing finished.